I was going into Toshi Station to pick up some power converters.
It just isn't fair.
Well, come on.
I've got work to do.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
We've got to do something.
But they're gonna kill her!
No!
Got him! I got him!
Red 5 standing by.
I know what you mean. Just hang on! Watch that crossfire, boys! We're going to the Dagobah system. That's all right. Dagobah. What's the matter? You smell something? R2! You be more careful. Now all I gotta do is find this Yoda. I'm looking for someone. Don't do that. No, I don't even know what I'm doing here. We're wasting our time. I'm not afraid. No! No! I will not turn, and you'll be forced to kill me. I feel the conflict within you. Let go of your hate. You're gravely mistaken. I am a Jedi, like my father before me.
Uncle Owen! Aunt Beru!